Tired of endlessly scrolling through your Trello boards, desperately searching for that one elusive card? Well, worrying no more. In the next 90 seconds, I'll show you some killer Trello search techniques that will transform you into a search ninja, saving you tons of time and frustration. First, let's start with the basics. The search bar is your best friend. Just type in any keyword related to the card name, description, or even comments you're looking for. Trello will instantly filter the results, showing you only the relevant cards across all your boards. But wait, there's more. Click on that little filters icon next to the search bar to unleash the power of advanced filtering. You can narrow down your search by specific members, labels, due dates, or even boards. This is super helpful when you know roughly who's assigned to the task or when it's due, but can't quite remember the card title. Let's say you're looking for all cards with the urgent label. Just click on the labels filter, select urgent, and boom. Only the urgent cards will be displayed, making it incredibly easy to prioritize your tasks. Need to find all the cards assigned to a specific team member? No problem. Use the members filter, select their name, and you'll instantly see everything they're working on. Here's a pro tip: use Trello's search operators for even more precise results. For example, type ISOPN to find all open cards, or Archive to find archived ones. You can also use operators like DoVerdo to find cards past their deadline. A full list of operators is available on the Trello help pages. And that's it. By mastering these simple search techniques, you'll be able to find anything you need in Trello in seconds. No more endless scrolling, just pure efficiency. Now go forth and conquer your Trello boards. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks.